Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my beautiful channel. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube page or YouTube channel, please do well sit down while I serve you with this amazing one topic. Okay, guys, in order not to waste much of our time, I'll be teaching us on how you're going to get your 4,000 watch hour on YouTube very fast with this word 5 word secret. Okay, guys, now are you struggling on how to get that word magical and almighty word 4,000 watch hour on YouTube? Don't worry, there are 5 secrets just that will help you get there in just 28 what days. Guys, like, I started using this method and I got about 4,000 words watch hour in just a video that I want and I uploaded. Now, that will now what dive us into what we have for today. I know that so many content creators, both new and small YouTubers, have been struggling on how to get what 4,000 watch hour. When you have a 4,000 watch hour and what 1,000 subscribers as a YouTube content user, you are eligible for for monetization. So that is why I have to bring this topic, because so many people have been asking me question in the comment section about how to get 4,000 watch hour. And the interesting part is that it has to be a word, the new YouTubers. Okay, I mean the small YouTubers like us. Okay, guys, now stick well in this video. The first one is creating long videos. Yes, as a content creator, you need to learn how to create long videos. Your long video may aim for about at least 10 minutes or or more. This will allow the audience to engage longer in that video, thereby boosting your watch hour and your watch time. The more value you provide, the what the more likely they will stick around in in your video. So that is why you need to do to create a long and quality content as a YouTuber. For instance, now, if it happens to be that your long video went viral, like the YouTube algorithm pushes your video. So now you are going to accumulate more watch hours from from that long video. So that is why it is necessary for you to do to create a long video, because it accumulates much more watch hour time. Okay, now when your audience is getting acquainted with your with your content as as like in a long form video, they will be craving for for more. That is why you need to create a long form video that can increase your watch hour and also fetch you subscribers. Okay, guys, so I have to bring this topic. The second one is optimizing your videos. Optimization. What do we mean by optimization? Optimization means using the necessary word and the relevant word title, the relevant word description, and the relevant word keywords. The keywords are what we call the hashtags. So if you have not seen my previous video about how I talk about hashtags, making use of the word, mastering your hashtag, guys, you really need to see this video so that you can know how you master your hashtags. Okay, now when you optimize your video titles and your description with relevant keywords, this makes it easy for your audience to find you in the world, in the YouTube world search engine. It will be easy for them to find you in the world in the search. For example, now if someone have to search about maybe how to get 1,000 subscriber, or how to create a word an eye-catching thumbnail, or if your audience get to search anything on the word YouTube word search engine, now the YouTube word search engine will quickly what answer your word your query with some word videos, dropping words, some suggested word video that are related to what you ask the word search engine. Now take for instance your video happens to be the word one of the video that will pop out on the word search engine. Maybe the person what searches on how to get 4,000 word watch hour, or how to grow on YouTube. Now your video has to pop out to be the first that will pop out on the word the YouTube word search engine. That is why you need to do what optimize your video, because it's very what essential. YouTube algorithm doesn't pay attention to what your videos. They only pay attention to the what to the viewers. Okay, they pay attention to what makes the YouTube algorithm what happy, because if you get the mind of YouTube algorithm will push your word video. That is why in every YouTube content creator they always what optimize their video. So if you can optimize your video very well to get the YouTube algorithm word mindset, you will accumulate what watch hour if your video what happens to get what viral. Okay, so and another one is using what the eye-catching word thumbnails to optimize your videos. Some content creator might have quality videos, interesting videos that are inside their channel, but the thumbnail they can produce, the thumbnail they can put to the top is not what as eye-catching. When you have an eye-catching word thumbnails, it will drag what attention, it will grab what attention, and what entice what click the audience. It will entice the audience to do what to click on that video and do what watch. So remember, first impressions matters. Okay, now the third one is what using the live stream. That is using the live stream in getting what your 4,000 word watch hour, thereby coming live on what on your YouTube channel. Okay, when you come live on your YouTube channel, it tells you on how you can do what interact with your audience one on one. They will be seeing you. You will not be what seeing them, but you guys are interacting what one on one. So when you accumulate, when you do what, when you go on live stream so long, you can do what accumulate a what watch hour. Okay guys, so this is the most important word part that will help you do what accumulate what watch hour. Now I started what at the initial time I started my YouTube channel, I was not what I doesn't know about what live stream. I have live stream on my YouTube channel, but I don't know what the live stream is what it's all about until I bump into the word this channel vibe with what Sonia. Vibe with Sonia taught us about if you are getting your 4,000 watch hour, you have to include your word, include what live stream. So since then, guys, I started using live stream, and live stream has been doing what awesome to my word, to my watch time. Wow. So try to make use of what live stream. Okay, guys. Now the fourth one is what using the restream what live stream. Restream live stream is when you don't come on live on what on live stream, you don't get to show your face. Okay, in this side you don't get to show your face, but you just attach a video on it. So when you have this stream live stream for a longer time, maybe you have it about you aim to record about let me say let me say 1 hour, it will accumulate you a what a much what watch time. As you are seeing this watch time now, this is what my word one of my video accumulated. This watch time now is one of what my word video word accumulated. Okay guys, now in this side, many creator uses it to grow their word their audience and to fetch their word their watch time hours. This would help you reach out to the world, to the wider audience that is interested in watching that word real stream word live stream. So guys, if you are not a what and if you are not what a victim of what a real stream live stream, if you are not a victim of free stream live stream, guys, you are missing a lot. You need to start it what today, because guys, it has start what accumulating what my watch hour. So I thought that this has been helping my channel, so that is why I have to bring it to what to you guys, because anything that helps or grow my channel, or I see that that thing is working for my channel, I will definitely what bring it down to this one to my channel. So guys, then finally, the last but not the least is what promote your what your videos. Promote your videos across what social media platform. Share your content on what on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram. Try to reach what wider what audience. I didn't mean sharing links, so don't share links, okay, but promote it to them. If you know a way you can just send your video without what YouTube links, okay, without your YouTube video link, if you know a way you can share your video just to reach your what your wider audience, just do it, okay, in order to promote your what video. When you promote your video, you are trying to reach a what a wider what audience. Engaging with your what your community can lead to what high views and more what watch hour. So don't underestimate what the power of what networking, okay. Now, thank you guys for watching. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to hit our subscription button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome what content. Don't forget, consistency is the key. Keep growing, optimizing and what promoting. So thank you guys for watching this amazing word video. See you on our next word video. Love you.